Good morning, Mr. Martin. Can you hear me? You're muted. Now calling case number 23S00425. This is the state of Michigan versus Eric Martin. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Stephanie Cannon with the Washtenaw Public Defender's Office with and on behalf of Mr. Martin, who is present, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Martin, can you please state your name for the record?
Capital E, lowercase R-I-C, capital M, lowercase A-R-T-I-N.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I am seeing is that you failed to appear for a court date on February 1st, and that you failed to appear for another court date on March 14th. Therefore, a bench warrant did issue for your arrest. Do you understand?
No, I do not understand, and I do not stand under the charges. I am one of the sovereign living people.
Okay, sir, I'm not asking you if you agree with me. I am asking if you understand the words that I just said to you.
Well, I do not understand. I might comprehend that I do not understand and that I do not stand under the charges. And I am not a defendant. I am a living human sovereign. I'm not the legal fiction corporate entity, all capital letter name.
Attorney
I do not accept an attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, he would stay on mute and ask for a PR bond.
Objection. You're not speaking for me. You're not my...
He's back, folks. The self-proclaimed living man. The legend of legal delusion himself, Eric Martin. If you've ever seen a sovereign citizen try to outsmart the court with pseudo-legal gibberish, buckle up, because this one is short. But oh, it asterisk delivers. Today's case features Eric's grand return to Michigan's judicial arena, this time in front of Magistrate Bray. His charge? Failing to appear twice. And yet, this man walks into court acting like asterisk he's the one holding the gavel. We'll watch him spell his name like he's decoding the Da Vinci Code, interrupt the judge like he's auditioning for Who Wants to Be a Sovereign Millionaire, and ultimately, get slammed with a continued bench warrant. Stick around, because the moment this magistrate shuts him down might just be the most satisfying thing you'll see all week.
Thank you for the attempt, Attorney Cannon. You can turn your camera off.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Martin. At this time, I am seeing that your license has been revoked. You have failed to appear for court dates in front of Judge Washington. You were to have a sentencing hearing and a pretrial date in front of her, so that is what I am going to set you for now.
I need you to repeat to me again the case number of this case. Couldn't get it all when you said it first time.
The case number is 23S00425.
23S 00
4.
Hold on. 23S00, right?
Correct.
Okay, after that, what else?
4.
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
5.
Was that it?
Yes.
Yes, 00425. All right. That wasn't finished. Cut me off.
Okay.
I had more to say.
Sir, I am setting you for another. Yes, I am, because what I am doing today is arraigning you, and I am setting you for another court date in front of Judge Washington. That court date will be April 11th, 2024. That will be at 9 a.m. That will be for your pretrial and potentially your sentencing.
I can't remember all this.
Ah, yes. The sovereign citizen spelling bee has begun. Every letter, every capitalization, treated like it's a secret code to unlock freedom from the system. Here's the thing. Courts use all caps names for record consistency, not because it summons a corporate strawman. But to these guys, capital letters are like legal kryptonite. It's wild to think that in 2025, people still believe they can dodge charges by claiming to be a living man instead of a legal fiction. Spoiler alert, it never works. Ever.
Yep,
11th,
yep,
9 a.m.
all right,
That is 9 in the morning.
okay. Got that, what else?
It will be over Zoom, like this hearing.
Right, okay, now. Okay, is that it for that? Okay, now. Let me ask, so does she call herself, is this a separate charge?
I'm
Is
not
a
entirely
failure to
sure what you're asking. So what happened here was that a bench warrant was issued for your failure to appear. At this time, to guarantee your appearance at the court date on April 11th at 9 a.m., that warrant will continue.
Okay, that wasn't intentional, so that's why it's baseless. It's baseless.
And there it is, the sovereign catchphrase we've all been waiting for. Asterisk, I do not stand under. They think this wordplay means the court loses jurisdiction, but all it really does is make the judge lose patience. This line has been debunked in every courtroom in America, yet it keeps making a comeback like a bad reboot. Notice the judge's tone, calm, professional, but already realizing she's dealing with someone who read one too many Facebook legal memes. The storm's brewing. Even though the lawyer is literally there to help him, he's too busy objecting to his own defense. It's the courtroom version of shooting yourself in the foot and then blaming maritime law for the injury. The magistrate, though, completely unfazed. She's probably seen more sovereign citizens than she.
And it shouldn't have been the warrant issue because
Okay, sir, you've got your next court date. That's April 11th at 9 a.m. The bench warrant is continued. This hearing is concluded, and you are free to sign out of Zoom.
so I have more to say. I'm not done saying what I have to say pursuant to my First Amendment right. I have more to say here. That is,
Think reading back a case number would be the easiest part of the hearing, but with Eric, even counting becomes a legal debate. This back and forth sounds like a bad math quiz. Z, 0, 4, 2, 5. Was that it? This confusion isn't just comic relief. It's also proof of how detached sovereign citizens are from the structure of real legal proceedings. They obsess over wordplay while ignoring what actually matters: the facts, the charges, and the consequences. This part always kills me. The judge gives him one simple instruction: April 11th, 9 a.m. on Zoom. But instead of writing it down, Eric acts like she just gave him the coordinates to the lost city of Atlantis. Here's the irony. Sovereign citizens constantly talk about being awake and aware, yet they can't remember a single date that might keep them out of jail. You can't claim to be above the law when you can't even operate a calendar. The warrant is baseless. Sure, buddy, except for that tiny detail where you skip 2 court dates. This is where sovereign logic completely collapses. They think intent matters more than action, as if saying it wasn't intentional magically erases the fact that the warrant exists. The magistrate, though, is done playing. Her tone says it all: calm, firm, and final. She's about to hit him with the verbal equivalent of a courtroom door slam.